जाओगे। हुस्न इतनी बड़ी दलील नहीं। ज़िवकार, काहिल, निकम्मे, बेकार, सुस्त और नाअहल लोगों का खुद एहतसाबी के बजाय हिंदुस्तान ने फिल्म मुकद्दर का सिकंदर चलाएंगे और ऐवान में बैठे इन बाशऊर लोगों को मामू बनाएंगे। लेकिन मैं इनकी कोई फिल्म चलने नहीं दूंगी और दलाइल से ये साबित करूंगी कि कामयाबी किस्मत से नहीं मेहनत से मिलती है।
जमजमों कौसर तस्लीम नहीं लिख सकती, ऐ नबी आपकी ताज़ीम नहीं लिख सकती। जमजमों कौसर तस्लीम नहीं लिख सकती, ऐ नबी आपकी ताज़ीम नहीं लिख सकती। मैं अगर 7 समंदर भी निचोड़ूं राहत, आपके नाम की एक मीम नहीं लिख सकती। शुक्रिया।
And you know mango variety.
You know mango variety?
Daseri.
Daseri.
Chausa.
Chausa.
Lamchussa.
Lamchussa.
Langala.
Welcome back on English by Hafiz.
Blindfolded public speaking challenge. No eyes, just voice.
How are you guys? Yeah, right. Over the moon? Alright. Once again I gonna perform a stunning vigorous activity here. Today is our beautiful glorious activity of spoken public speaking. This is activity of actually you have to speak by closing your eyes. By closing your eyes. How are you feeling? How are you performing? How are you actually right now changing, developing yourself by closing eyes? You have to feel just कि nobody is in front of you. You are speaking, you are talking by yourself, where you can speak loudly, confidently, effortless, right? English. So are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Really? You want to perform here?
Yes, sir.
You want to develop yourself? You want to do something new? So once more you have to come here. You have to make your effort. You have to make your energy, your pains. How you can make sharp, how can you actually create excitement, enthusiasm, outcry yourself. This is the public speaking spoken session, right? If you are practicing, if you are learning, if you are performing over and over, then you can develop, you can get idea. Public speaking, this is one kind of art, this is one kind of idea which can be learnt by practicing, by facing people, by doing this kind of activity over and over. If you are performing 1,000 times this kind of activity in front of the people, audience, scenario, then you can get idea ki how you can convince, how you can persuade, how you can attract, how you can deliver. The way you are addressing, the way you are delivering your lecture can be made more smart, more attractive, more effective, charming, captivating, fascinating, lovely. So ladies and gentlemen, tell me, are you really excited today, class?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to do something amazing?
Yes, sir.
You should always put your lecture by your mind from the bottom of the heart, not that key only you can put by your tongue. Whatever point you want to deliver here. So today's your challenging and daring task is that, my dear friends, this is by closing eyes you have to perform. You have to perform. Come here. Where is mic? Very good. Come here. Very good. Start. So confidently you have to write. It should be. Right. Please, you have to enjoy. Right. Don't feel right suffocation. Okay. Don't feel that this is problem. No. This is your goodness. This is your challenge. This is your dare. So please accept, acknowledge. Alright. So accept this one and enjoy more. Enjoy. So are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling good?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Excited?
Yes, sir.
Start.
Hi, hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning and assalamu alaikum everyone.
Very
First of all, I truly welcome and congratulate from the bottom of the heart, from the center of the heart, from the top of the heart.
All right.
I extremely being a part of such a miraculous, glorious, stunning, fabulous session show. Today our speech
Everybody
class,
listen, guys.
I stand here, I talk to you, I meet to you, I embrace to you, I hug to you.
Oh,
Ladies
right.
and gentlemen, today my stunning, glorious, fabulous, tremendous, incredible, inscrutable topic is
Wow,
that
very good.
work
Wow.
hard. Do you know, guys, work hard is very important in our life.
Wow, amazing.
Without work hard, you cannot achieve anything.
Good,
If you
zabardast.
want to achieve anything in your life, if you want to study in better, if you want to top of the level in your school, so work hard is very important.
Incredible, fantastic, lovely. Come on, guys, go.
If you want to start any business, your work hard is very important. ना करो बहस, हार जाओगे. हुस्न इतनी बड़ी दलील नहीं. जीवकार, काहिल, निकम्मे, बेकार, सुस्त और नाअहल लोगों का खुद एहतसाबी के बजाय नाकामी का जिम्मेदार तकदीर, नसीब, किस्मत और मुकद्दर को ठहराना रीत उस नगर की है और जाने कब से है.
वाह.
उस तरफ से आकर किस्मत और सिर्फ किस्मत के राह गलापने वाले, हाथ की लकीरों, सितारों की चाल और तोते की फाल पे सर फेंकने वाले यहाँ दलाइल पेश करने के बजाय हमें किस्से और कहानियां सुनाएंगे. हिंदुस्तानी फिल्म मुकद्दर का सिकंदर चलाएंगे और ऐवान में बैठे इन बाशऊर लोगों को मामू बनाएंगे. लेकिन
वाह.
मैं इनकी कोई फिल्म चलने नहीं दूंगी और दलाइल से ये साबित करूंगी कि कामयाबी किस्मत से नहीं मेहनत से मिलती है, क्योंकि फूल यूं ही खिला नहीं करते, बीज को दफन होना पड़ता है.
Wow, fantastic, lovely. Are you Doha?
Yes, sir. कामयाबी
I realized that कि I'm watching some Pakistani show, right? Where is Waqaf? Oh, right, जबरदस्त performance. Very good.
कामयाबी इज्तिमाई हो या इनफरादी,
या।
दुनियावी हो या उखरवी, इसका ताल्लुक सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेहनत से है. क्योंकि इंसान चाँद पे कदम रखने में कामयाब हुआ तो वजह किस्मत नहीं मेहनत थी. इंसान इंसानी जिस्म के एज़ा की पैवनकारी करने में कामयाब हुआ तो वजह किस्मत नहीं मेहनत थी. और 15 अगस्त 1947 को जब ये हिंदुस्तान दुनिया के नक्शे पर उभरा तो इस कामयाबी की वजह कोई किस्मत, मुकद्दर या तकदीर नहीं, बल्कि
वाह।
तहरीक हिंदुस्तान में मौजूद लोगों की मेहनत और सिर्फ मेहनत थी. अब से शिकवा तंजीम यज़दा, तो फिर तू यज़दा क्यों नहीं होता?
Wonderful.
जनाबे सदर, मेरे इन तमाम दलाइल के बावजूद अगर अब भी कोई किस्मत और सिर्फ किस्मत के राह गलापते हुए मुकद्दर के कच्चे घड़े पर बैठकर अपने महिवाल से मिलने की तलब रखता है, तो उसके लिए मैं बस यही कहते हुए इजाज़त चाहूँगी कि बेअमल दिल हो तो जज्बात से क्या होता है, धरती बंजर हो तो बरसात से क्या होता है. बेअमल दिल हो तो जज्बात से क्या होता है, धरती बंजर हो तो बरसात से क्या होता है अमल लाजिमी तकमीलो तमन्ना के लिए, वरना रंगीन ख्यालात से क्या होता है. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Very good, right. Zabardast. Wonderful, miraculous, incredible, fantastic, mind-blowing, unprecedented, right? Unbelievable, right? All right. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
Today I feel
Today I feel
highly
excited,
delighted, ecstatic, being a part of
being a part
such
of
a
such a
activity of blind activity.
blind activity.
This
This
activity
really
so effective, attractive.
attractive.
Today
my
point is that हाँ ठीक बोलो
yes sir.
क्या आपका टॉपिक है टुडे
is spoken class.
हाँ,
My beautiful topic is जाने मुस्तफ़ा.
हाँ माय ब्यूटीफुल स्पीच इज
जाने मुस्तफ़ा.
वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छे
इब्तिदाए शान मोहम्मद, इब्तिदाए कायनात से पहले अभी ज़मीनो ज़मान नहीं बने, मकीनो मकान नहीं बने, ये दोनों जहान नहीं बने कि अहले जहां देखते हैं कि जन्नत के माथे पर मोहम्मद का नाम चमक रहा है, क्योंकि विलादत मुस्तफ़ा 1571 12 रबीउल अव्वल सुबह सादिक कायनात में एक ऐसा नूर चमका जिससे तारे झुक गए, बुत गिर गए. यहाँ अब्दुल मुत्तलिब हैरान, उधर शाह ईरान परेशान कि सदियों से जलने वाला आतिश खुदा आज कैसे बुझ गया. ज़माना पुकार उठा कि आ गए वो शाह उमम जिनकी सल्तनत मशरिक़ व मगरिब तक है. ये शख्स कोई आम इंसान नहीं बल्कि मौल्लिम इंसानियत बनाकर भेजा गया है. हाँ जनाब सदर, ये वही ख़ातिमुन नबिय्यीन हैं जिनके नाम के बिना अज़ान ना मुकम्मल है, नमाज ना मुकम्मल है, कुरान ना मुकम्मल है, जनाजा ना मुकम्मल है, अकामत ना मुकम्मल है. तो मैं उस नबी से मोहब्बत क्यों ना करूँ जिसकी इताअत के बगैर मेरा और आपका ईमान ना मुकम्मल है.
वेरी गुड
जमजमो कौसर तस्लीम नहीं लिख सकती, ए नबी आपकी ताज़ीम नहीं लिख सकती. जमजमो कौसर तस्लीम नहीं लिख सकती, ए नबी आपकी ताज़ीम नहीं लिख सकती. मैं अगर 7 समंदर भी निचोड़ूं राहत, आपके नाम की एक मीम नहीं लिख सकती. शुक्रिया.
प्लीज गिव अ वंडरफुल applause फॉर मिसेस प्रतिमा मैम.
बोलो.
Good evening everyone. I truly welcome, congratulate for everyone, bottom of the heart, center of the heart, over of the heart. Today I feel delighted, ecstatic being a part of this unprecedented for everyone. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to be here. I am very glad to start happiness. I am very excited to finish my task front of you, where I have no dare to speak. But dear audience, you have given. I have got to say something about tree. You all guys very happy, and I wish your health is very good. Listen to me carefully. I want to talk about tree. What's tree? Do you know, my dear brother and sister, what's tree? Tree is most important thing in our life. Without tree, I can't live on the earth. The leaves, human being and tree are interdependent. Neither tree and nor human being on the earth. Tree is our friend. We need to take care of them. Tree also give me oxygen to breathe and take carbon dioxide. It takes CO2 and purify air. And
Are you noticing something? Ki she is elaborating amazingly, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Zabardast performance.
do you know,
Incredible.
guys? Tree is creation of God. Tree give us more fruits and vegetable. Wood is very useful for us. Wood makes bench, desks, more furniture. The more people cut down the tree, more purpose. But it's not good practice. People cut one plant. People cut one tree and plant more tree. We should plant more and more tree, because without tree I can't live on the earth. Tree is needed our life, and tree keeps our environment clean and pollution free. Tree give us oxygen to breathe and purify our environment. Tree help to bring on the earth. Without tree, not bring rain on the earth. Tree is also our friend. Tree keeps our earth clean and green. Tree prevention our environment and the protect our earth for global warming. The trees reduce pollution and prevention soil erosion. Do you know what is soil erosion? Soil erosion means मिट्टी का बहाव. When tree root absorb water, but they collect soil on root during rain. Tree also greenery our environment and give us food and vegetable is very useful for us. When I eat vegetable, green vegetable, I can live healthy and fit. Do you know, guys, how can I healthy? When I eat green vegetable and fruit, I can healthy on the earth. Thank you very much.
All right. So tell me, actually, come here, right? How was your experience performance here? How was your performance experience actually? I think that you deliver a long speech, right? So how were feeling after?
I feel good, sir.
You felt good?
Yes.
This is the good activity?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you today I think that you performed more without stopping, without hesitating, without
Yes, sir,
fumbling,
without
without rambling, without
Yes, sir.
stucking, without knuckling, without right.
Yes,
you
sir.
actually performed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, really? That's so good. You want to say
My
something?
dear brother and sister, I want to talk about Kabir Das जी के दोहे. धीरे धीरे री मना धीरे सब कुछ होए, माली सींची सौ घड़ा रितुआए फल होए. कबीर दास जी हम लोग को यही संदेश देना चाहते हैं कि जिस तरीके से धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे सब कुछ हो। बताते हैं कि हे मनुष्य, सब कुछ धीरे धीरे होता है, हमें अपने काम में धैर्य रखना चाहिए। जिस तरह हम लोग इंग्लिश सीखने आते हैं तो हमें अपना धैर्य नहीं खोना चाहिए, हमें अपने धैर्य को बांध के रखना चाहिए कि हम इंग्लिश सीख के ही जाएंगे, क्योंकि सब काम धीरे धीरे होता है। ठीक है, हम जब पृथ्वी पे आए तो अचानक से बड़े नहीं हो गए।
Wow, wonderful, incredible, mind-blowing, awesome, fantastic, lovely, glorious, splendid, unprecedented, miraculous. All right, that's a very true line according to the Holy Quran, right? Inna Lama Sabirin. All right, if you have patience, endurance, perseverance yourself, God is with you. God will support you. Nobody will touch you. Nobody will touch you. So really, that's a true and golden line. All right, Kinnalama Sabirin. We must have patience. We must have perseverance. We must have endurance. We must have patience ourselves. One side we must have creativity, one second hand we must have patience also. All right, we should do, we should create, we should innovate.
Really, I am so excited being a part of this golden opportunity.
Very good, बहुत अच्छी.
My stunning, beautiful topic is that tree.
Very good.
Tree is very, very useful for every human being. Without tree, your life is difficult. Tree is integral part of our life.
थोड़ा हैंड एक्सप्रेशन करिए और थोड़ा बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी दिखाइए आप. Again try. Very good, हाँ. Tree is integral part of our life.
Tree is integral part of our life. Without tree, so you can.
Without tree, we can't get fresh air, pure oxygen. Oxygen is compulsory
in our body.
Right, very good.
So ladies and gentlemen, tree is very, very crucial in our life.
Good.
Tree is give me fruit.
Tree give us fruit.
Tree give us fruit.
Fruits are real, original, tonic, energy of human body. Really they are greatest gift of God. We have many kind of fruits.
We have many kind of fruit.
I count
I count
guava,
guava,
pineapple,
pineapple,
papaya, lychee,
lychee,
papaya,
apple, orange, mango.
My favorite
My favorite fruit is mango.
Right, very good.
So this is,
You know mango fruit?
you know mango fruit?
Oh, how sweet,
How sweet,
delicious,
delicious,
tasty.
tasty.
Really, it's the
really.
king of all fruits.
It's the king of all fruits.
I can eat
I can eat.
5 kg mango.
No, sir.
Yeah, and
And
you know mango variety.
you know mango variety?
Daseri,
Daseri,
Chausa,
Chausa,
Lamchussa,
Lanchusa,
Langla. अरे? Okay, sit down, right.
Yes, sir.
आपकी आंख बदी हुई है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
आपको परफॉर्मेंस करना है इतना ज़बरदस्त, ठीक है?
Yes,
ऐसा
sir.
लगे कि अंधे ने क्या किया है, कुछ कमाल कर दिया है. चलिए
Yes,
आगे
sir.
आइए, थोड़ा सा और आगे, बस स्टार्ट करिए एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ. आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes, sir.
और मोर, वंस मोर. एक्साइटेड?
Yes, sir.
स्टार्ट. जितनी तेज एक्साइटेड बोले उतनी तेज आपको क्या करना है, परफॉर्म करना है.
Respected sir, sister and brothers, ladies and gentlemen, very good evening. Today is speech class and my beautiful, magnificent, glorious topic is that parents.
बेइज्जती हो जाएगी.
You know that parents is very important for everyone in daily life.
वेरी गुड.
Without parents, life is difficult. Parents is moon of God. So,
वेरी गुड. पेरेंट्स.
parents have parents guide you, support you, but you have a not parents. You are not good. Your life is very difficult. You have a parents. Your life is good.
I stand here
I stand here
just because of parents.
just because of parents.
I came here.
I came here.
I grew up.
I grew up.
Brought up.
I brought up.
It's all about
It's all about
my parents.
My parents.
I speak.
I speak.
I deliver.
Deliver.
I talk to you.
I talk to you.
I talk to you.
I talk to you.
This is blessing
blessing
of my parents.
of my parents.
Really?
Really.
They are great Hasti
Hasti.
personality
Personality.
in this world.
In this world.
I can never ever pay
Never pay.
rights of parents.
Rights of parents.
I can never ever
I can never
hurt
hurt
parents.
parents.
I can obey my parents.
Obey my parents.
I can
help
help my parents.
my parents.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
respect your parents.
respect your parents.
Respect your parents.
Respect your parents.
Obey your parents.
Obey your parents.
Love your parents.
Love your parents.
Adore your parents.
Adore your
Like
parents.
your parents.
Like your
Follow
parents.
your parents.
Follow your parents.
You have success.
You have success.
You have success
You have success
under
under
your parents.
your parents.
You have success.
You have success.
You have success.
You have success.
Your success.
Your success.
Your achievement.
Your achievement.
Obeying
Obeying
your parents.
your parents.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks very much.
Huh?